after the Paris Climate Conference, companies are under pressure from governments. Governments are under pressure from people to do something about carbon and climate. So companies wanted to take action, but to do that, business and industry have to change and reduce the amount of carbon that's being produced. Companies hit this realization that it's really tough. It's very hard. That's when suddenly you saw kind of a boom in carbon credits.
We envision a future of net zero emissions. And we're optimistic about our path forward.
There's a lot of good people who, on the most part, are trying to do the right thing. But companies and brands don't tend to do stuff that isn't going to give a return. Companies definitely realize by appearing greener, you appeal to a certain demographic, a certain audience, and you can sell more products.
Companies drawing up plans to get to net zero fueled a boom in carbon credit sales. They can be traded like commodities on international markets.
That's the gold rush moment, when you see investors coming in and investment banks, which have commodity trading desks that traditionally trade oil and gas, start trading carbon offsets, carbon credits. So you see more brokers coming in to buy carbon credits and trade carbon credits, and the price is going up.
The city had been keen on credits, but after the criticism of forest credits was published, their value collapsed.
Things had been brewing, I think, in carbon markets really from about 2021. And maybe we haven't really wanted to face up to it. That inconvenient truth that we can't just go out and buy these things called carbon credits and hope that we can fix the problem. All the pricing in the market crashed. So we were talking to brokers who literally were saying they were getting calls every day from developers who were willing now to sell their carbon credit stock for £5 or £2. And these were carbon credits that, as a single unit, 2 weeks before they were looking for £50 or £30.
As prices dropped, sales rose last year. December was a record month for companies buying carbon credits.
There's no regulation of carbon credits. There is no global government or local government who's setting the rules. People don't want rules and regulation. And in the vacuum of no regulation, you're reliant on the institutions to do the right thing.